Hi everyone. Today let's take a look at an aftermarket Resmed N20 silicone cushion. A friend sent this to me. These silicone accessories aren't made by Resmed's original factory. They are produced by other manufacturers in China that have found ways to work around some patents. They are cheaper than the original ones, but still function normally. Now let me check out how it is. Here's the box, and let's install it onto the N20 mask frame and see how it works. Okay, like this direction. Okay, when you hear kata, this sound, it is fit correct. And uninstall from the frame. Okay, in recent years, thanks to the growth of cross-border e-commerce like Amazon, more and more Chinese manufacturers have started developing CPAP accessory equipment. These two N20 cushions were sent to me by a friend. Moving forward, we are considering selling these smartphone aftermarket products or potentially collaborating with these friends. Thank you everyone.